The meme stocks are done. They've given us so much opportunity this week. We had Gamestop that ran from like 16 bucks all the way to like 80 bucks a share yesterday morning. Crazy opportunity there. We had AMC go crazy yesterday. But you come into today, they're both on the backside. They're trapping longs on the backside of their moves, and it's about to get ugly. So if you're in these setups still, and we'll pull up the charts here and take a look, at what point do you sit back and say, okay, look, I'm fighting the trend. The plan that I had here is invalid now. And you can definitely still scalp these things, right? There's definitely opportunities to scalp them. I'm not talking to the ones that are actually, trading these without plans. But if you're in these stocks, your GameStop, your AMCs, and you don't have a plan, you're just buying and hoping for, a mother of all squeezes. It's, you got to be blessed. This thing has given us so much opportunity. On Monday, it was insane. On Monday, this thing was insane. Of course, Tuesday morning in pre-market was absurd. But you've got to realize the structure of these stocks are completely different now. There's a lot of selling pressure from the upside here. There is a lot of bag holders still on this GameStop. And I just want to make this video so you can just ask yourself this question. Do you have a plan, or is your plan just to hodl? You just here to hold and hope, or do you have a plan? Do you have an edge? Do you have a plan? I'd rather be late than be early to a play. I'd always rather be late to the party than be one of the first ones to the party when, nobody shows up. You know what I mean? So you don't want to be the first one. You never want to be the first one to a party. You walk in, nobody's there. It's like, oh crap. Now what do I do? Now I'm the only one here. It's awkward. Boom. Bust. You're done. So same applies here. We played it a couple of times yesterday morning in pre-market. Obviously, there was so much opportunity here. Whenever it ran from the 40s up into the 80s, it was absolutely nuts. But it's one of those situations where it gave you opportunity. Did you get greedy? Did you stick to a plan? Maybe what went awry? And at this point, what's your plan now? What are you going to do? Are you going to keep on holding and hoping it comes back? Or are you going to realize, hey, look, I need to be doing something here. I need to be, maybe cutting this. I need to cut this and rethink where I'm at. I need to reposition myself. If you still want to play it, like I said, there's plenty of opportunities to scalp this thing. If you're going to play GameStop or AMC, make sure you've got a plan. That's all I want to talk about in this video. I don't want you guys to have a plan. I don't want to see any back holders. Don't get greedy. Have a predefined plan with your entry, your risk, and your targets. Trade your plan. Stick to your plan. When the market proves you wrong, get out quick. When the market proves you right, let that winner go and just manage your risk. But above all else, just stick to your plan. So I just want to talk to you guys real quick about that. Really, really short video, but it's super, super important. I see a lot of people that are just bag holding these things, even now, purely because of social media. So, don't go on social media looking for some confirmation bias, because these things, it's going to be short-lived. Be smart, guys. Stick to a sustainable approach. Don't make trading harder than it needs to be. Keep it easy.